Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video is made to provide guidelines for filling the application form while applying for visit visa for family members. This is a general form which is used for many purposes, whether it's family joining or whether it's a visit visa. So when we open the form, make sure that you open the form in Adobe Reader, because if you do not use Adobe Reader application, then you cannot fill the form properly. The first section of the form, as you can all see, it has different options which can be opened with the drop down list. So first of all, you see this option. This option by the name of Ikhtar Ism al-Muhafadha means that you have to select the name of the governorate where you are applying for the visa. So for example, my address is from Salmiya or Jabriya area, so I have to select Havali here. So you will select as per the Jawazat office where you are applying. Then there are three circles. The first one is Samat al-Dukhul, second one is Iqama, and the third one is Izn Ghiyab. So if you are visiting, if you are applying for a visit visa for family members, you will select Samat al-Dukhul, the first circle. Then there is an option of Ikhtar al-Naw, means that you have to select the type of visa. In this you will see multiple options, and if you are applying for a family visit visa, you will select Ziyara Ailiya. The remaining two you will leave because you did not select Iqama or Izn Ghiyab, so you will stick to only this section. Then the third option is Ikhtar No al Ijra. In this you will select Isdar. Isdar means to issue. So basically you are applying for issuance of a family visit visa. Then we go on to the next section, which is Bayanat al-Qadim. Bayanat al-Qadim means that details of the visitor. So in this, the first section is Raqm al-Madani. Since the visitor does not have a civil ID, you will leave this blank. The second section is Tarikh al-Milad. In this you will write the date of birth of the visitor. Then in the third section, Raqm al-Marja', I will show you the translations also. Raqm al-Marja' means reference number. Reference number will also be kept blank because right now they do not have a reference number. Then al-Jins, in al-Jins you will select male Zakar or female Unsa. Then Makan al-Milad is the place of birth, you will write Pakistan or the country of birth. Then al-Ism al-Kamil means full name, you will write here the full name of the person who is going to visit you. The name should be as per the passport. And there is a section to write the name in English as well, full name. Here you will write the full name in English, and in the Arabic section, al-Ism al-Kamil, you will write the full name in Arabic. Then Raqm al-Jawaz al-Safar, this is the passport number, you have to write the passport number here. Then Nu al-Jawaz, if the person has an ordinary passport, you will write Adi, which means ordinary. Then Tarikh Isdar Jawaz al-Safar, this means you have to write the issue date of the passport, you have to write it here from the passport. Tarikh Intaha al-Jawaz means the expiry date of the passport, you have to write it here. Then comes al-Jinsiyya, Jinsiyya means nationality, you have to click the drop down list. Then you have to go down and you have to select Pakistan. It will be in the Ba section, 164. This is the option for Pakistan. Then al-alaqa bil kafil, this means what is your relationship with the person who is going to come here. You will select this option, and there are multiple relationships mentioned here. For example, if you want to call your brother, you will select al-akh. If you want to call your father, you will select al-walid, al-ab. And similarly, if you want to call your mother, you will select al-walida or al-um. Then al-mahna. Al-mahna means what is the occupation of the person who is going to visit. So you have to write, for example, if it's your mother and she's a housewife, then you will just write housewife's translation in Arabic. Then the third section, al-bayanat sahib al-amal, means details of the applicant. You are the applicant. The person who is applying the visa is the applicant. So here you have to write details of yourself. First is Raqm al-Madani, you will write your civil ID here. Then Raqm al-Marja' al-Shakhsiyya al-I'tibariyya, when we go to the translation, it writes reference number. You have to write your civil ID reference number, but mostly you can leave this empty as well. The main thing is your civil ID. Then al-Ism al-Jiha al-Hukumiyya al-Sharika. So first you have to write your name as per civil ID here. Then you will put a dash and you will write your company name if it's a government company, and then you have to write the name of your company. So you have to write three things: name, government agency, and then company. Then the next section is email. In this you have to write your email. Then al-Raqm al-Ali al-Unwan, on the back side of your civil ID there is a serial number. You have to write the serial number in this section. Then comes al-Jinsiyya, again you will go to Pakistan. Then al-Mahna. Al-Mahna is your occupation, you will write your occupation here in Arabic. Then al-Ratib. Al-Ratib is your salary, you have to write the number of your salary. For example, if your salary is 1000, you will write here 1000. Then al-Muhafadha, This is your governorate. You have to select your governorate. For example, I live in Jabriya, and I will select Hawali here. Then al-Mantaqa, then this is your area. I will select al-Jabriya here. This is my area. You have to select yours. Then al-Qata'a, block. I live in, for example, if I live in block 10, I will write block 10 here. Then al-Sharia, you have to write your street number. But keep in mind that all of these details should be from your civil ID. They should not be different from your civil ID. Some people have change in address already done, but if your civil ID shows the old address, then you have to fill the old address here, and you also have to visit the appropriate Jawazat office according to your address. For example, if someone is living in Salmiya, but their address has changed to, for example, Regai, but they still have not updated their address on civil ID, they must act upon the address of Salmiya, and they have to go to the Jawazat Hawali, which is in Mishraf, not the Regai Jawazat. Then Mabna means the building number. You will write your building number here or your house number here. Then Al-Hatif is your phone number. You have to write your phone number. Once you fill this form, you have to make a print of it, and then on the print you have to sign your signatures on the signature of applicant section. There is a page 2 also of the form, but you have to leave it blank. So you have to fill this form when you're applying for a visit visa. So after you fill the application form and you print it and you sign it, then the second form that you must submit along your visit visa application is the declaration and undertaking form. It's a simple PDF form, and you just have to fill it by opening this form in Adobe Reader and then selecting the fill and sign option. There's a fill and sign option when you open it in the mobile or in the laptop. So you have to select the fill and sign, and once you select the fill and sign option, then you have to go to any option, like in front of I, you can type your name, and then you can move your name to the selected place. Then in nationality, you can select Pakistan and you can move it to Pakistan. So you will fill this form completely, and once you have filled this form, then you will at the bottom put your name, type your name, and then print this form and then sign this form. You have to take this form along with the application form that you filled earlier and printed, and then you have to submit both of these along with the other documents required for the family visit visa. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.